Hey guys, today we'll be working on problem 21 of the 2015 AMC8. So the problem says, in a given figure, hexagon ABCDEF is equiangular. ABGI and FEHG are squares with areas 18 and 32, respectively. Triangle JBK is equilateral and FE is equal to BC. What is the area of KBC? So let's take a look at the figure we have here. So one thing we can notice is all the squares have right angles, so we can mark those in. And we can also see that the problem says the hexagon is equiangular. So that means all the angles are equal to each other. Using this, we can find what each angle is because of the amount of sides in a polygon in the formula to find the angle. So we do 6 minus 2 times 180, and that's a total sum of all the angles. So we take that divided by the 6 vertices. So we have 4 times 180, we can cancel, so it's equals to 120 degrees in each angle. So this means that if mentioned in the problem, JBK is equiangular. So that means each angle must be 60 degrees because that is what the angle degree is in an equilateral triangle. So that means we only have KBC left in that. So we know 90 plus 60 plus 120 plus KBC is equal to 360. If we subtract, then we find that KBC is a right angle. So that means this is a right triangle. Well, one thing we can notice is if the square area is 18, that means one of the side lengths must be the square root of 18, because that means if one side multiplied the other side, root 18 multiplied by root 18 is just 18. So we can do the same for the other squares, so we get the side length is root 32. Let's just simplify these. So root 18 we can factor out 9, or like a 3, so we get 3 root 2, and root 32 we could factor out the 16, so it'd be 4 root 2. But now we see, if we take a look back at the problem, we know that FE is equal to BC. So FE is equal to 4 root 2, so we know BC is equal to 4 root 2. And something we can notice is JBK is an equilateral triangle. That means that this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. And we know one of the side lengths is 3 root 2 because it connects to the square. So we know KB is equal to 3 root 2 as well. Now if we want to find the area of the triangle, we can just multiply the two sides because it is a right triangle. So the base times height. So it's 3 root 2 multiplied by 4 root 2, and we have to take that over 2. 2 root 2's make 2. We could cancel, so that leads 12 to be the area of KBC. So that would be answer choice C.